I have written a text editor with text-to-speech functionality using Python. This text editor has basic text editing features, including creating new, opening, saving as, exporting to PDF format, undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, read selected text, and so on. When using the read selected text function, if no text is selected, it will read the entire text. In addition, I made an extra feature regarding subtitles. This additional feature will open a sub-window. Inside the sub-window, it will automatically split the text in the main window into lines, and it can be exported as a text file and an MP3 audio file. The rule for automatic line breaking is, each time a comma or period is encountered, it will be counted as a line of dialogue. If this line of dialogue exceeds 30 Chinese characters, it will start a new line from the 31st Chinese character. If it is exactly 30 Chinese characters, then it is exactly one line. If the number of characters in this line of dialogue plus the number of characters already in this line exceeds 13 Chinese characters, it will start a new line. In the subtitle window, you can continue to manually adjust line breaking, and after clicking the Export as ZH button, it will output the text file and the MP3 text-to-speech file after line breaking. Click Export as EN, Export as TH, Export as JA, Export as KO button will respectively export English, Thai, Japanese, Korean line breaking text files and MP3 audio files. One regret is that the automatic translation code I wrote using OpenAI's API key is not satisfactory. So, for now, you need to cut and paste the Chinese line breaking text into the ChatGPT dialog box in the subtitle sub-window. Translate it into the corresponding text. Then copy and paste it back into the subtitle window. Then click Export as EN, Export as TH, Export as JA, Export as KO button. Finally, the text-to-speech function used by this program is from Azure Speech Studio. The API key is saved in the environment variables. I will publish the program code on GitHub. Please see the link in the description of this video, which is also a tutorial demonstration.